Hi everyone, it's Yanina and welcome back to my channel. I want to say a huge thank you for you to my follower because every action under this video, every like, comment, helping us as a community to grow and to get good deals from brands. You've probably already seen so many reviews where it says that makeup brush cleansers do not work, they're too pricey and it does not worth to spend your money. But I got the ones that actually works, and the company was kind enough to give a discount to my followers, and I'm not earning commissions from this discount. I just asked for it for you so you have a chance to buy it cheaper. So this is the company Visagista, and when they reached out to me to send this product for review, I was like, I do an honest review, and if I will not like it, I will say that. And they was like, no, let us know if you will not like anything, we want only honest review, and if you have some suggestions, we would love to improve our product. I was very happy to hear that, and they also give a discount code only for my follower. All details will be in the description. Discount code will be available from October 1st till October 7th. If something will change, I will write it down in the description, so don't hesitate to check it. So this is what package has inside. This brush cleanser is the main part that rotates brush. To turn it on, you need to hold it for 2 seconds, 1, 2. Then if you will press one more, it will push speed one more further, and to turn it off you also hold it for 2 seconds. And it's rechargeable with mini USB, and you have cable here. Then it has brush shaper, so you just put brush inside after you're done, so it will keep the shape. It has user manual, it has brush holders, and it has this little tiny screw that you put inside of this device, and then you put on top the actual brush holder that fits it. Usually I clean my brushes, and I have plenty of brushes to clean. I clean them first in alcohol, 91% or 70%. This works a little bit less than that. Soap with special brush shampoos. This is Ecotools one, or with Dr. Bronner's liquid soap. They goes with oil, so this is pretty conditioning. Or with other soaps, they just mild and not harsh. Or sometimes washing them on a bar soap. This is also with oils. And then I'm washing them over here on this little pad to wash the things out, and then I rinse them. I rest them flat on a surface and I leave them overnight to dry. So usually to clean all my brushes it takes for about 2 hours, to be honest, sometimes a little bit more. And I use whole bottle of alcohol, half of bottle of shampoo. With this little device I found out that I use way much less alcohol, way much less soap, and what's more important, way much less water, and my brushes almost dry in a second. I took 2 liters of water so we can see how much we will use up. To make it pretty, I took 3 glasses. First we'll go glass with an alcohol. Also we'll put some alcohol in the original container. Sometimes you can clean brushes with powder with this device that just takes some color off. But with pigments like this, like bright red or dark black, you cannot take them off so easily. I will put that guy in here to let it solve. I will put all of them in there. Nothing will take clean product as good as alcohol. And it's also disinfection, and this will not happen just with shampoo. I tried this product for a week. I'm not giving you first impression or demo. I found out that I don't like it by myself, because if you did not use product for a while, you cannot really tell do you like it or not. So first time when you get it, you need to charge it in full. I attach that, then I put it in. Now I will soak a little bit. You see how the product's coming out. Put it on, hold it for 2 seconds. 1, 2. If I want to put more power in it, I will press one more time and the light will go down and it will be faster. Like that. Then I will put this brush into another container where I put water and a little bit of salt. This water and salt, don't put too much because it will go wild. And then I will put a lot of water when I will rinse all my brushes. I will put the brush down, swirl it around, and turn it on again. Hold for 2 seconds. 1, 2, here we go. I want to show you closer. Here you go, brush like that, but don't worry, it will be fine in a minute. Yeah. So it's like that. Now we will go to the water section. We'll put it in and swirl it. In water you can actually see what's going on. I will bring it closer so you can see it for yourself. Also it has prevention For example, if you press the bottom, it will stop spinning, so it will not break anything. I like it to dry in medium speed, so press button one more time to make it swish. And then I would pull it up a little bit into a dry brush, and then I will turn it off. I will hold it and just make it back in oval shape. As you see, brush did not change its shape at all. It's perfect sanitized clean brush, just in case if something will stick out, but I had never had not a single time with any of my brushes. You put it in this like net and you can rest it in that. The best advantage for me is that it's like almost dry. As you can see, it doesn't leave any water on me, and I'm putting them down to rest. It's a big advantage for me is if I do a lot of makeup looks, and if I do them with different color, and if I do them with stubborn color, or if it's like foundation and then I just want it to be sanitized and quickly. I will stop bubbling and we will go over other brushes. This one was foundation. Completely clean. You know, I have not seen foundation brushes being so clean, ever. Look how clean inside. It's like, are you kidding me? Look how clean. Like every single bristle inside, so clean. Just look at that. 1, 2. But it's clean. Make it clean. I had lipstick in here, like cream product, and it's completely clean. Oh my gosh. The last one. 1, 2. Woohoo! 1, 2. Here we go. 3 at 1. I understood that this product works when I clean this brush. Unfortunately for me, I could not ever clean like deep inside. Even with alcohol, it took a lot of time to make it completely clean. But with this brush cleanser, finally inside of the bristles, like inside, deep inside, I saw that it's clean, absolutely white. And here we go. And I want to show you how it looks. If you know what I mean, like inside, white. Have never been this white before inside. Only the first time when I bought it. No foundation at all, almost dry. As you see, shaped back, just like that. And it will be dry in a second. Here we go. They're ready to use. So I cleaned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 25. Let's put it back. 25. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So I cleaned 39 brushes in 50 minutes with talking and getting distracted instead of my usual 2 hours. All of them are ready to use. I want this one to dry in this nets to make it look like they brand new. And I used only, I don't know what's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 1/5 of the bottle. So this is saving. Then I used way much less water. So let's see how much water I used. I switched this water 2 times or 3 times because I put too much salt and it was like, oh, what is this, like salty. So it's, let's say it's 200 milliliters of water. Very eco-friendly in my opinion, because obviously you use way much less water, you save your time, you use way much less product. That is great. This product works best for me. Use common sense, like do your research, make your own opinion about that. I said to brands that I really like this product, I genuinely believe in them as a company because of their great customer service, and with the gesture it's really working for me and for my brushes. It's saving me time, water, alcohol, soap. This video is not sponsored. I got product for free for review, but I did not get paid for that. You are welcome to use it from October 1 to October 7. And if something will change, it will be changed in the description down below, so you can use it and ask me any questions if you want. Or you can share this discount code with someone else. You can buy it for your friend, you can buy it for your beloved one, or you can buy it for yourself. It looks like I covered it all. If not, leave me comments down below and I will be happy to answer them. Follow me on my Instagram, it's Yanina, and hit notification bell for updates because YouTube needs this and me too. Any of your action under this video is helping my channel to grow a lot, and thank you so much for interacting with me. Thanks, bye. Now I will do something.